Founded in 1998 in Hawaii, FTSI quickly expanded throughout the U.S. to become a national company. We built a foundation with our team and began providing consult, sales, and service to financial institutions. Our premise was simple: delight our customers. We began growing much like the community we serve, one customer at a time. In the beginning, our core business was selling and servicing ATMs, so we focused on hiring and training the best ATM technician experts to deliver unmatched service and response uptimes in our industry. We quickly gained market share through our dedicated service teams, seamless conversions, hardware installations, and solution expansion. Our digital-first world has challenged all of us to discover new paths and innovative solutions that deepen consumer connections. FTSI's transformation continues alongside our bank and credit union partners as we rebrand our company and deploy our digital strategy division. We're adding powerful solutions that deliver seamless experiences in the branch or on the go. We now offer robust digital customer service and experience management tools that make appointment scheduling and check-in a breeze. While hardware and security are still in our wheelhouse, FTSI will continue our evolution in the technology space to offer a comprehensive suite of solutions that drive user-first concepts and custom execution for your brand. Customer experience continues to be our compass, and it's what will guide us as we help shape the future of banking with things like API-led core integration and digital identification. So what's your story? Whether you're looking to grow into new markets, attract new member or consumer groups, or simply provide a great consumer experience, FTSI is the partner you can count on. Give us a call or shoot us an email. FTSI, where innovative ideas take flight.